You're watching Ashirin Awesome, and today I'm back again with an unboxing video. I am back again with unboxing. We are going to be unboxing 3 accessories from Chanel. So today we are going to be unboxing this lovely box, and we are going to be see what is in this lovely box. And yes, we are unboxing the wallet, and it's made from caviar leather, and it has 6 cards. You can put in 6 cards, and it has a zipper behind, and it's in color black with inlays of leather and burgundy color inside, so you could see. And it also has the authenticity card here, so you can see this. And next item we'll be unboxing is a pair of sunglasses, and this is it. And it's these oval sunglasses, and it comes with a piece of cleaning, and you have the instruction book from Chanel to what you have to do. And the sunglasses come with the box, and here they are. And let me remove them from this, and this is how they look like. And let me try them for you. They have pearls with C and C in silver hardware. So silver hardware. I have been looking for some sunglasses, and recently I was thinking of purchasing a new pair of sunglasses to replace my Dio sunglasses, but I love my Dio so much, so I think I will keep on wearing them, and then also try to wear this once in a while, because I could not find an exact matching pair of those sunglasses. If anyone knows where I can buy those same sunglasses I had, although they're not in season anymore, let me know in the comments below, because I think I love them. I love the shape, and they really look good. I have to. So the next product I have is some shoes. Some shoes from Chanel. I went to buy the sling bags, the sling bags that everyone's dying for, the 2-tone ones, the one with black and beige and black and gray. I was so in love, and I thought they would look good on me. No, these are the shoes I got from Chanel, and they are, let me see, made in Italy, and I am a size 35.5 from Chanel, because I think Chanel makes, I wear size 36 normally, but I think their shoes are a little bit wider because of a wider feet, so I always wear a half size low. And this comes with 2 dust bags, so you can carry your shoes with these dust bags with a white Chanel on them, and you can enjoy your shoes. So I love these shoes. They really look great on my outfits. I wear my outfits for work. I'm really very smart, so I love my shoes. So these were the shoes, and my wallet, and sunglasses today. And ladies and gentlemen, that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you stay tuned for more, and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see on this channel, and let me know if you like one of the products I bought, and if you think you have a better product that you could unbox, or let me in on. Leave it in the comments below, and let's share what we buy new. Thanks for watching. Returning subscribers, thanks for the support, and share this video, like this video, and stay tuned for more. And next